to my channel, guys. Fish Patron Vlog. Today we're gonna do some steamed fish and green banana, guys. So first we're applying the butter and then we're putting the natural seasoning, guys. This is our natural seasoning, guys. Sweet pepper, onion, and thyme. So you have the garlic and the tomato. Stir fry beans. These are two fish, guys. For dinner, me and my spouse are cooking two nice fish, guys. Give you guys a nice stew in this fish, steam this fish. Looking good. Yes, guys, here are the fish. Guys, here are the finishing food. And now I'm gonna eat my food.